I, being an interior designer by profession, I always had a dream that if we can, incorporate a institute where we can give a holistic learning in interior designing. So that was the central idea behind making GIID as a brand. As you know, George Telegraph is 100 years legacy. This organization is into education for the last 100 years. So, they being into so many diversified fields of education, we have designed GIID as a premium category of institute where we can teach interior designing. We have 4 specialized design courses. One is Diploma in Professional Interior Design, Advanced Diploma in Professional Interior Design. We also have a certificate course for the professionals, and number 4, of course, we have the bachelor degree in interior design. So these are the 4 courses which we specialize in. Now our main emphasis is a holistic learning for the students. We in George Telegraph have a very strong backup team for the placement cell. We have a strong placement cell where we also have a banking of good architects and interiors in our portfolio, where we always pitch our students for internship, for employment into their organization. From the day of teaching and learning until the day a student become a professional, we thoroughly monitor the entire process. That is the idea of making GIID, because nowadays in the urban society, the society is growing like anything. Starting from tier 1 to tier 2, tier 3 city, the city is growing in a length and breadth. And we really need a lot number of interior designers to shape and design each and our homes, commercial places, and many other. But even we also didn't expect such rapid growth what happened. It's not only about Kolkata, people from suburb, people from other cities, northeast, students are coming like anything. And we already, pre-lockdown, we already planned 2 institutes in Dhaka, Bangladesh, one at Salt Lake, and certain other places in tier 2 city like Bardhaman and some places other, which will come very shortly. We will be including, because what happened, even Northeast is doing very well. We are planning shortly a center at Silchar, one at Bilaspur. What happening, people from other tier 2 cities and smart cities, they don't have access of these such courses, but the cities are growing in a rapid growth. So they really need professionals like this there. And since we are into, behind the scene, we are making designers, so we'll probably be there very shortly. That is the idea of growth of GIID.